This 2019 Entegra Coach Aspire 44W is a Class A RV. It is located in Palm Desert, California, 92211 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Palm Desert. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Entegra coach is 44 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6, slide-out, and 100 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, outdoor entertainment, rear bath. This 2019 Entegra Coach Aspire 44W is built on a Spartan K2 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.